guys, this is Lily again. So now I'm gonna share with you an educational vlog on my channel. So this condition is about fibromyalgia, and I have here some facts about fibromyalgia. So just watch and enjoy. So the definition of fibromyalgia, I have here some definitions, and just take a look at this. So there are a few here about the disease called fibromyalgia. Okay, that's it. So you can find other other definition or other facts about fibromyalgia, but these are just a few facts that I have gathered regarding this condition. Right, so on this part here, I'm showing you who are the affected populations, or those people who are mostly at risk for this condition, the fibromyalgia condition. So that's it. There you go. These are just a few affected populations that are mostly at risk with having this fibromyalgia condition. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to causes of fibromyalgia. So there's some causes that I have listed here, and you can just check on this. There are other causes that may be associated with this condition as well. Okay, so these are just a few that I have mentioned here. Now there are other like pathogenesis, or the etiology of fibromyalgia. So we can just take a look at here. So it's giving us an insight of where these diseases are coming from, and who are its characteristics, and the effects, side effects, or the study of the fibromyalgia condition. It's all about the study of the fibromyalgia condition. The next is the signs and symptoms of having this condition. So I have listed here a few just to share with you. Okay, like I said, there are other signs and symptoms of this condition that you can find out on your research. Okay, so there are other relevant case history questions that that you can ask. For this is helpful for massage therapy practitioners or other healthcare practitioners when dealing with this fibromyalgia condition. These questions will be helpful in asking about this condition. Okay, moving on. It's and this topic here is about relevant assessment. So I'm talking about fibromyalgia condition with regards to massage therapist. Okay, so this is something that a registered massage therapist can do in assessing fibromyalgia condition. Okay. Now we move on to the medical treatment, such as medications, therapy, surgery, and others. So we can see here that fibromyalgia has no cure. So we're just gonna be looking at some other things that can be helpful in in treating or making the patient get lessen the painful or the effect of a fibromyalgia condition in a person having that. Okay, so here there's an additional medical treatment that we can do, that can be done to a person with fibromyalgia condition. So these are some medications that can be given by a physician or other practitioners to help relieve fibromyalgia symptoms and signs and symptoms. And so here you can see some goals that we can do for massage treatment for a fibromyalgia condition. These are some of the goals that we can take into consideration in treating fibromyalgia condition of a client or patient. And here we have the indications for treatment regarding this condition. So I have cited some facts here about the indications. You just have to check it out. And we can check as well. Here are some contraindications in treating fibromyalgia condition or disease during a massage treatment, and some other modifications. Okay, so as a practitioner, especially massage therapist, these are some contraindications that you have to look into or consider before in treating a patient or a client with a fibromyalgia condition. And we have here the detailed treatment description, so which includes treatment frequency or the length of treatment to a client with a fibromyalgia condition. So this is more of massage therapy treatment. Okay, as you can see, these sessions may only last for only 30 minutes or less. It cannot be done on only more than 30 minutes or prolonged treatment for this kind of condition. And here are additional treatment, the positioning, the techniques that you can apply in treating this condition. This is more of massage therapy treatment. I have here additional techniques that you can use. Like I said, guys, there are other techniques that you can use if you're a practitioner to treat fibromyalgia conditions. So this is just an example of those techniques. Okay, so there are areas as well that could be avoided when treating a fibromyalgia patient or condition of a patient or a client. So yeah, in the positioning as well, you should be taking consideration in treating this and your treating your patient. Okay, so I have here as well the SelfCare, or appropriate hydrotherapy or remedial exercises, and some lifestyle changes that you could give to your client as a practitioner. Okay, here are some of it, a list of some of it. Like I said, there are a few more self-care that you can give to your client. You can research those as well. Okay, so my conclusion regarding this treatment of fibromyalgia condition, I have cited a few here. So just take a look at this, and like I said, each and every one of us could have a different conclusion. So this is just my conclusion about this condition. Okay, so here you go, guys, and I hope this the information I have here on this video will help you in your treatment of fibromyalgia condition, or in your in your studies, in your medical studies. And I just hope this will help you a little bit. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again on my next video. Have a good day.